last night. She lives in Wisconsin, freezing still, and all over the country we've still got these crazy cold temperatures. It's time to move into the world of zone heating, right? Instead of cranking up that furnace and blowing hot air into the whole house and paying an arm and a leg for it, here is a way to pick up a heater that actually uses infrared technology to heat the objects around you, kind of like the sun warms things up, but what you get to enjoy is up to 1,200 square feet of warmth, a beautiful little unit that doesn't take up a ton of space, that's nice and compact, but super powerful. This thing is like small but mighty if you need that warmth. Great safety features, even comes with a remote control. You can notice I'm touching it and I am fine. So some really fantastic features we're gonna get into. I will show you the colors available. This is your gray, really a looker.
It is.
This is a very design-friendly look. It's like an old school furnace, right? Isn't that gorgeous? So that's your gray. We also have it available in the black, and then we have the white. And the white is a nice soft white. It's kind of this like an antique finish.
I have the white at my home. And what I like about it is, you're right, it has that old Victorian great look to it. You know, the old furnaces, those floor, you know, grates. So this looks really nice. But I love to say that this thing is like weighing in at 13.5 pounds, standing 15 inches high by 14. And let me tell you folks, do your research. Go on the internet. You cannot find a 10 element infrared heater anywhere.
Now, so Linda, share with me then what infrared is all about. Because versus a space heater, very, very different methods.
Okay, so a space heater literally will heat up maybe 2 or 3 feet of the space. Usually it warms up your legs, okay?
Yeah, you're right.
That's what it is. And it's just a little bitty area here. The other thing that a space heater does is it takes all the moisture out of the air. See this? It's forced air, but look at what now our warm living electric infrared mini furnace does. This is now going infrared heat for you have 10. This is non-infrared, okay? So this is just blowing literally just
hot, dry
air. It's bad for your skin, bad for our hair, bad for our furniture. But now the infrared heat literally will heat you from the inside out, okay? You have 10 coils on here, and this will heat up a room that's 1,200 square feet. Now think about that most of our basements, finished or unfinished, are about 1,000 square feet. Most of our homes, the average home is 1,400 square feet. So 1,200 square, so if you have a huge room, this is exactly what you want.
And now, what is a perfect little size. Like, look in the video.
It's absolutely perfect.
It's unobtrusive.
Now, you can't see heat, right? It's hard to see. But I can tell you what this does. It's like when you go skiing and it's really, really cold and you're in the shade and you're freezing, and then all of a sudden you step out into the sun. What happens? You're literally heated from, your bones start to warm up. That's how infrared, because the sun heats us infrared. But I'm gonna show you here, I have some heat sensitive film. Now it's black, right? Now when I come out, I'm gonna come out about 2 feet from this, and when this, let me put this on high. Here we go. I have this right on high. Here we go. Now, this is our hottest, and when I bring this film out, and I bring it right out here, look at this. Instantly, it starts to literally turn this film into the dark blue, and that means it's getting hotter and hotter. And when I come up here, and I can even put it on the top here, it starts to turn black. Why? Because up on top, I can put a coffee mug on here, I can put my book on here, I don't have to worry about this, and a lot of us will really, you know, when you think of a heater, you're thinking of that space heater that's very dangerous. Not so with warm living, not with an infrared heater. Because an infrared heater, remember, it is just literally going to heat. It'll heat you, it'll heat your puppy, your kitty cat's gonna love it. Your furniture's going to love it. Everything, it'll heat your bed, the sofa that you're sleeping on. And let me get to the controls, because you also get this. We love this. You don't have to get away from off your couch.
I could be in bed or on the couch, and just adjust. Now, what are the temperatures? What do they go up to here?
Okay, so you have let me go through these gauges here. First of all, let me go over from the left to the right. This is your lock button. If you have any busy fingers in your home, you might like that lock button. It just locks it. If you want to have 72 degrees, you lock it there. This goes from, you have it on high. This will do your different fan speeds and low, and then Econo. Econo will keep it on low and will keep it at 68 degrees.
Okay.
That is for energy saving, okay? So I'm gonna put it back on high, and I'm gonna go into my controls for my temperature. I can have it start or stop at any time, and you have all the way up to 12 hours to do that, right?
Wow.
I can have it go off in 12, whatever I want, however many hours. And again, now this is, I can go down to 70 degrees, I can go up to 72, I can change this. If you don't like Fahrenheit and you like Celsius, hold this button down, now we'll go into Celsius, and then this, of course, will turn it off, right? And that turns it back on. And what I like about that is you can just put that there, and you can also use this from your couch and from your bed, wherever it is you are. You have all those controls that you just saw here, right on here.
Oh my goodness. So, I mean, really, you've got all the control that you need. It's nice and precise. You had mentioned the safety aspects of this. I always get into mom mode, like, okay, well, what happens if somebody knocks it over? What happens if, you know, I leave it on? Let's talk about the safety features, because there are some really nice ones with this.
Yeah, I like that you said that, because I have to say, I'm a bit of a nervous Nelly, just about stuff, right? Because, you know, I read, I watch television, I watch the news. Yes, this is a wonderful, and this is what really sold me on it, because I'm going to, let's say Rover hits it, or the kids hit it, and they get rough housing. This is what happens. I'm going to show you with the black, because you can see with those red, beautiful infrared coils, when I start to tip it over, I'm going to be quiet, and you'll hear it shut off. Did you hear it go click?
There it goes, look.
Okay, and now, look at that. It's going, what will happen is that it just completely shuts off. Now, when you put it right back up, right, all you're gonna do is you're gonna turn it right back on, and there it goes. But for me, that is added safety. That's added safety so that it has this pendulum inside. And the pendulum, you know, if it goes one way or another, back or forth, it literally feels that within the unit, and instantly it shuts it off.
And it's, I tell you, it's cool to the touch up top here. I mean, there's maybe a little bit of warmth right here, but nothing super hot where you would have to worry about your pets or your hands or little ones. You could put items here if you're using this decoratively. This is a real treat to pick this up right now at a clearance price. I will tell you, it's normally $130. So it's been significantly marked down. And I'll tell you, there are places around the country right now still dealing with these super cold lows. Boston, 22 degrees, 15 degrees in Chicago. I mean, even New York City is 22 degrees. Still right now, these are the lows that we're dealing with. So even if you want this right now, if you're getting sick and tired of getting that energy bill every month and seeing what you're spending to heat the whole house, instead of just heating the room you happen to be in, this is a good time to make an investment. This is gonna last you season after season after season, and you're saving money and energy along the way.
That's right. And again, look at this. I mean, look at this. What's nice about this heat is that you notice how in space, look how quickly that turned. I'm 2 feet away from this. I know you kind of can't tell that, but I'm 2 feet away. Yes, and then I put it up here, and then it'll start to go black again. That's because up here it's cool, over here it's cool, on the sides it's cool, but what it's doing is that it is heating this room. Now I want you to take the zone challenge. Because if you go to the departmentofernergy.org, they will talk to you about, they tell you about zone heating. And what happens with zone heating is if you take your temperature and you bring it down 5 degrees, maybe even 10 degrees, and now you just heat the room you're sitting in, put this up to 72 degrees, right? And what happens is that you save so much. You can save hundreds of dollars in the winter on your, it depends how big your house, you can save, you know, thousands depending on how many you use and how big your space is. But let me tell you, this is how you save money. This is also how you feel more comfortable, because it's not just heating your feet, it's heating the floor. It's heating the couch, the chair that you're reading on. It's heating your bed.
If you need to get the chill out of the room too, what a great way to do it. I tell you, the size of this is really impressive. It's 15 inches high, yet you can heat up to 1,200 square feet. So think small but mighty on this one.
And one more thing, on high, it uses 1,500 watts, and on low, it's 900 watts. So you're going to save a lot on your heating bill.
Oh my goodness. 3 colors to choose from too. So we have the antique white, we have black, and then I love this beautiful gray. Just think about those spots in your home that you really want to get the chill out of the air and stay nice and warm. Get it on clearance. You're going to use this through the spring, honestly, and then into the next season over and over again. Big customer pick as
Feels so good in here.
Thank you, Linda. It does feel good. I'm going to warm up because after we tell you about the HSN app, we're moving on and we're going to show you this